Click on the link below to get price. The A-iPower 2300-watt portable inverter generator dual fuel is a robust and versatile power solution that stands out for its impressive performance and user-friendly features. Designed for both recreational and emergency use, this generator efficiently operates on gasoline or propane, giving users the flexibility to choose their preferred fuel source. Its dual fuel capability is particularly advantageous during long camping trips or power outages when fuel availability may vary. One of the most striking features of this generator is its relatively quiet operation, producing only 58 dBA at a quarter load. This is a significant advantage for those who appreciate peace and tranquility while enjoying outdoor activities or for residential use where noise levels can be a concern. The generator is also lightweight, weighing approximately 48 pounds, making it easy to transport and ideal for RV enthusiasts and campers. The 2300-watt output is sufficient for powering essential appliances like refrigerators, lights, and small electronics without strain. The inverter technology ensures that the power generated is clean and stable, which is crucial for sensitive devices. Furthermore, the A-iPower is RV-ready with a 30A outlet, making it a great companion for road trips. Safety features are also well integrated into this model. It is CARB compliant, ensuring that it adheres to strict emission standards. Additionally, the generator has a low oil shutdown feature that automatically turns off the engine to prevent damage, enhancing its longevity and reliability. Overall, the A-iPower 2300-watt portable inverter generator dual fuel is an excellent investment for anyone in need of a reliable power source for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. Its combination of dual fuel capability, quiet operation, and safety features makes it a top choice among portable generators. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or needing backup power at home, this generator delivers performance and convenience in a compact package.